Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to make a super simple and quick breakfast in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, let's make egg toast, fast, tasty and healthy. Break 1 egg into a bowl, add salt and pepper and whisk it. Dip your bread slices into the egg and cook them on a hot pan for 1 minute on each side. Your protein-packed breakfast base is ready. Next, let's make a quick smoothie. Take 1 banana, a handful of oats, a cup of milk or water, and blend it for 10 seconds. This gives you energy and keeps you full for hours. While your toast is cooking, make instant coffee or tea. Just heat water, mix it, and done. This saves time and goes perfectly with your breakfast. Now plate your egg toast, pour the smoothie and enjoy. A complete breakfast ready in under 5 minutes, healthy, filling and budget-friendly. If you like this quick recipe, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more easy food videos. Thanks for watching.